Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly. Hello everyone, it's Jonah Rose here. Every week, I dive into the world of 3D printing to bring you something fresh and exciting. Today, we're exploring a slightly more advanced aspect of 3D printing, 3D painting, as part of my series where we navigate through AnkerMake's Explore section. 3D painting, though simple, requires a bit more attention. You need multiple filament colors and must be present for filament changes during the approximate 5-hour print, especially if stops aren't included in your print file. Here's what I aim to create. For my first time, do you think I'm going to nail it? I chose 4 colors: black, tricolor copper, a soft yellow, and a matte white. As it prints, let me walk you through the process. The app's print description mentions the chosen colors and layer stop points, which occur at the end of the previous layer. Note that layer 0 counts as layer 1, so actual stop points may seem off by 2. The painted dragon uses 4 colors, though it's not explicitly mentioned. Around layer 14, I recommend a light shade or white for that extra pop. A pro tip, load the darkest color first, moving to lighter shades for a consistent theme. Periodically, the machine prompts you to check the print, signaling the color switch. And here's the end product. If you enjoyed this, do like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be featuring more of these with tips and facts I discover. I hope you found this interesting and entertaining. Your feedback is much appreciated. Until next time, stay creative. Thanks for watching.